Wizards, lists are like magical spell books that hold multiple data items in Python, such as numbers, strings, or even other lists. You can add, remove, or change items, making lists perfect for dynamic AI data like feature sets or sensor readings. Create a list with square brackets, like features 0.5, 1.2, 2.8, and get ready to see them in action.
Anastasia, how do lists help with AI projects? Are they used a lot?
Great question, Olivia. Lists are everywhere in AI. Think of storing input data for a neural network or tracking model outputs. They're flexible, so you can update them as your AI model evolves, which we'll show in our demos. Lists are AI spellbooks. Tuples are like enchanted boxes in Python, wizards, holding data that shouldn't change, like model parameters or fixed settings. You create them with parentheses, like params, char 0.01, 100. They're fast, secure, and perfect for AI tasks where data needs to stay constant.
Exactly. In AI, tuples store things like a model's learning rate or number of epochs, ensuring they don't accidentally change. Unlike lists, tuples are immutable, meaning they're locked after creation. We'll see how they shine in our demos, wizards. Tuples lock your AI data.
Wizards, lists, and tuples both store data, but they serve different AI purposes. Lists are mutable, so you can update data like a growing dataset for machine learning. Tuples are immutable, ideal for fixed settings like a model's configuration that must stay constant during training.
Think of lists as your dynamic AI notebooks, where you can add or edit data, like sensor inputs. Tuples are like sealed AI blueprints, keeping critical parameters safe. Our demos will show you how to use both for AI projects. Wizards.
Wizards, creating a list is super easy. Use square brackets like data, geared 1, 2, 3, to store numbers, strings, or mixed data. In AI, you might use a list like features. Shear 0.5, 1.2, 2.8 for model inputs, and you can modify it anytime.
Great point, Olivia. Lists are flexible, so you can add or change items as your AI project grows. Save your list in a .py file or try it in the Python shell. We'll show you how in the demos. Let's start organizing data, wizards. Lists are so simple.
Wizards. Tuples are created with parentheses, like params. 0, so true 1, 100, model. They're perfect for AI settings that shouldn't change, like a model's learning rate or name. Once created, tuples stay locked, keeping your data safe and reliable.
Tuples are lightweight and fast, which is great for AI performance. You can't modify them, but you can access their data, like params, 0, to get 0.01. We'll show you how tuples work in our demo, Wizards. Tuples secure your data. Wizards, you can access list items using their index, starting at 0. For features equals 0.5, 1.2, 2.8, features 0 gives 0.5, and features 1 gives 1.2. This is super useful in AI for grabbing specific data points, like model inputs.
Ethan, what happens if I try an index that doesn't exist?
Great question, Olivia. You'll get an index error, so always check the list's length with len, features. We'll show indexing in our demo, Wizards, so you can access data like pros. Grab list data easily.
Wizards, tuples use indexing just like lists. For params, SAD or 0.01, 100, params ADA gives 0.01. This is great for AI when you need to pull fixed parameters like a learning rate without changing the tuple.
Exactly. Tuples are immutable, so you can only read data, not change it. Use params, 1, to get 100, or len, params, for the tuple's length. We'll demonstrate this in our AI demo, Wizards.
Wizards lists are mutable, so you can change them. Use features. Char-freeze 1.5 to update the second item, or features.append 3.5 to add a new item. This flexibility is key in AI for updating datasets or model inputs dynamically.
You can also use methods like features.remove 1.5 to delete items or features.pop to remove the last one. These operations make lists perfect for evolving AI data. We'll show append in our demo, Wizards.
Wizards, tuples can't be changed after creation, which is a superpower for AI. Immutable tuples ensure critical data, like model parameters, stays consistent during training. For example, params, darsh 0.01, 100, stays locked, keeping your AI reliable.
Anastasia, why not just use lists for everything?
Great question. Tuples are faster and safer for fixed data like AI settings, while lists handle changing data. You'll see this difference in our demos, wizards.
Wizards, lists come with powerful methods. Use append to add items, remove to delete specific values, or sort to order your list. For AI, methods like extend can combine datasets, making lists a go-to tool for data manipulation.
These methods make lists super versatile for AI tasks, like sorting model predictions or adding new data points. Try features.sort to arrange numbers in order. We'll use append as in our demo to show its magic, wizards.